Creepiest thing your child ever said to you. 1. Remember before I was a baby when I was a different little boy and I had a different mommy and daddy? No buddy. Do you remember that? Only a little. 2. Not my kid, but a little girl in my son's kindergarten class told me she lives across the street from a cemetery. I asked her if it was spooky to live that close to a graveyard and she said very matter-of-factly, not during the day. But at night they all walk up to our windows and scream. 3. My 5-year-old was speculating that the tooth fairy probably takes the teeth to put in her own mouth, so that she has millions of teeth in her mouth. Yikes. 4. My daughter was 4 and while we were eating breakfast one morning she says, I was on a mountain once, and my mom and dad passed away and then I woke up and was in this house with you and mama.